Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS group of school. Class, today I am going to start the lesson 3 of supplementary, and I hope you have completed your lesson 3 and poem part of literature. So, today I am going to start your supplementary syllabus. After teaching the lesson, I will send you thoughts, syllabus and notes. So let's start our story, that is the selfish giant. What is the story? The selfish giant. What is the giant? Giant is meant here to a cruel person, very bad person. Selfish means who is very selfish, who always thinks about himself. The person who is selfish never thinks about the others. So the story is about a person who is very bad and selfish, and what he does in the story we will come to know in the story, why the person is very selfish. So selfish means so the person who always thinks about himself. And giant is meant here. Giant also giant means also a monster, but in this story giant is used for a cruel, a bad person. So, every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. So, every afternoon, when the children were coming from the school, they always used to go in the garden of the giant. As it Why they always went into the garden of giant? It was a large, lovely, because it was a very beautiful garden. That's why the children were attracted to play there, and they always went there after their school. As the garden had soft green grass here and there over the grass stool, and there were so many beautiful flowers. They were like stars in the garden, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke into a delicate blossom. And when it is springtime, there are so many kind of pink and pearl flower, color flower on the tree. And in the autumn bore into, and in autumn there are so much fruits in that trees. In those trees the bird sat on the tree, and the bird sat on the tree. And here the writer is explaining the garden. The birds sat on the trees, and they sang very sweetly. The children used to stop there, and when the children heard the music and the song of the birds, they stopped playing and listened the song of the birds. How happy we are here. And when they heard and when they play there, what they said to each other, said to each other that they were very happy in that garden. They enjoyed so much in the garden. They were talking to each other. Then what happened? One day the giant came back. The giant suddenly came back. He went to his friend's home, and the name of the friend was the Cornish Ogre. And he stayed with his friend for 7 years. It means after 7 years he came back to the village. When he arrived in the village, what he saw? He saw the children were playing in the garden. So he became very angry that the children were playing in his garden. What he asked, what are you doing here? He cried in a gruff, means very harsh, very hard. He shouted in a very hard voice, and he asked, what are you doing in my garden? And the children, and after hearing the hard sound of the giant, all the children ran away from there. My own garden is my own garden, said the giant. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. So he built a high wall around it and put up a notice board. So, what the giant did? He said that his garden is only his garden, nobody can play there. And he said that everyone should understand that thing, that he would not allow anyone to play there except himself. What he did, he built a very high wall around the garden so the children cannot come there. So he built a very high wall around it, and also put up a notice board there. What he did, he put up a notice board, and what was written on that notice board? Trespasser will be prosecuted. What is the means of trespasser? Trespasser means those who enter somebody's land property without his or her permission. If you are entering someone's property without permission, you are called trespassers. Okay, class. The person who enters in someone's property without permission is called trespassers. And prosecuted means tried into a court of a law or to be punished. Prosecuted means to be punished. He wrote these words on the notice board. Then he was very selfish giant. Now you can understand why he was very selfish, that he stopped the children to play in his garden. So he was very selfish giant. The poor children had now the children had no place there where they can play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty, and it was not proper. There were so many hard stones there, so they didn't like that to play on the road. They used to wander around, the garden, and when their lessons were whenever their school were over, they always wander around the high walls of the garden, and they talk about the days when they play in the garden and enjoyed so much in the garden. Whenever they came back from the school, and they wander around the high walls of the garden, they remembered the old days when they played in the garden. They were talking to each other. Then the spring came, and then what happened? The spring came, and all over the country there were little and in every one other garden there were blossom, there were birds, there were trees. Everything was blossoming. But what happened in the selfish giant garden? There was still winter. Spring didn't come in his garden. Spring didn't come in his garden. There were spring in all other garden except giant's garden. The birds were also not singing in his garden. Plus, do you think why it was happening with the giants? uh, why it was happening with giants? Because he stopped the children to play in the garden, and the trees forget to blossom, and that year the trees didn't blossom of his garden. Once a beautiful flower blossom puts its head out, means blossom, but from the grass. But when he saw there were a notice but when the flower saw the notice bird, it was faded, because there were no children in the garden, and he went to sleep. He faded. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost, means fog. Snow means snow and the frost. Only they were enjoying their snow, cold, and fog. Spring has forgotten this garden, and spring didn't come in his garden. He has forgot she has forgotten his garden. They cried, so we will live here. They were all talking snow, frost, that now they can live in that garden for the whole year. The snow covered up the grass. As you all know, snow is white. Snow is white color, ice, you can so. Snow, the snow covered the grass with her great white cloak, means sheet. The snow covered the whole grass with white sheet, as snow is white. And the frost painted all the trees silver, as the fog painted all the trees silver color. Then they invented the north wind to stay. Then they called frost and snow called the north wind to stay with them, and he came. He was wrapped in fur. There were so many furs. Furs means dry things. Whenever the wind blows, there are so many things with it. That is called its fur. And he rolled all, and it was roaring very hardly in the garden, and blew the chimney pot down, and he blew all the chimney pots. This is a delightful spot. Now all the things were enjoying in the garden, means snow, frost, and the north wind, all they were enjoying in the garden. and he said, we must now what they decided to call the hail, to hail on a visit also. And what the hailstone, जो hailstones होते हैं आपके pieces of ice, that is called hailstone. This they decided to call hailstone also. So the another hail also came every day for 3 years. He rattled on the roof, and for 3 years spring didn't come in giant's garden, broke most of the shade. And for 3 years the hail came in his garden also. It rattled, means make a sound on the roof of the giant house, and break so many tiles on the roof. And he ran round and round the garden, and the north wind ran around the garden as fast as he could. He was dressed in, and as it was in clear color in gray, and his breath was, as you all know, hails are pieces of, so its breath was very ice, and it was very cold. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. What the selfish giant said, that he didn't understand why spring is not coming in his garden. In other garden there is a spring, but in his garden there is no spring. As he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white, and he was looking at his garden, which was cold. There was cold, and also it was white due to snow. I hope there will be a change. Now he was hoping to change in the weather, but the spring never came, nor the no, but neither spring came nor summer in his garden. The autumn and the autumn gave golden fruits to every garden, but didn't give a fruit to giant's garden. She gave none, but she gave none to giant's garden. He is too selfish. Why? What she said, what Autumn said, that the giant is very selfish. That's why he didn't give food. He didn't give food to giant. So it was always winter there, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow dance, and all through the tree, all around the trees and the garden, all the things, north wind, hail, frost, they were enjoying in the garden. One morning, what happened? One morning, the giant was lying on the bed when he heard some lovely music. And he heard a kind of music. It sounded so sweet, and the music was very sweet. To that he thought, what he was saying, that the king musicians were passing from there. That was the music was. It was really only a little linnet. What is linnet? Linnet is a kind of bird, but in reality what was there, it was linnet, which was singing in the outside of his window. Linnet means a bird, but it was so long time that he heard a bird singing. So he thought that it was king's musician were passing from there to him to be and he found the music, the most beautiful music in the world. Then the hail and what happened, the hail stopped dancing over his head, and all the things of snow, hail, north wind ceased, money stopped roaring there. And what happened, there were a fragrance, a good smell, a perfume came to him through the open casement, means window. And why the from where the fragrance was coming, the smell was coming, I believe the spring has come. What he thought, that now he thought that spring has come, said the giant. And he jumped out of bed, and he jumped out of bed and looked out in the garden. And what he saw a most beautiful, wonderful sight. He saw a very wonderful sight means scene. What he saw, through a little hole in the wall, through the hole, through the there was a hole in the wall, and through that hole the children had come in the garden, and they were sitting in the branches of the trees, in every trees. And what he saw, that in every trees there he could see the little children were playing, and the trees were also so because the children were back in the garden, and they had all the trees covered themselves with flowers, and and all the trees were waving their branches. Arms means their arm means their branches. All the trees were moving their branches very gently above the children's head, as they loved the children most. The bird were flying about, and they were twittering with delight, they were singing with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing, and all the flowers were very happy. It was a very beautiful scene of the garden. Only in but what the giants saw, that only in one corner of it was still winter in the garden. It was the far and the corner was was the farthest corner of the garden, and it was standing, and there was a little boy, and he was so small, and what he saw, that he was so small that he could not reach up to the branches. He was not able to climb up on the tree, and he was wandering all around, and he was wandering around the tree, and he was crying very badly, bitterly means bad, because the little child was not able to climb on the tree. That's why he was crying very badly. The poor tree was still covered with frost. So the tree was covered with frost, with fog and snow, and the north wind was blowing around, roaring above it. Climb up, little boy. The tree said to the boy that climb up on him. And what the tree did, it bent its branches down as so that the child can climb on it. But the child was too tiny, as the child was too small, that he was not able to climb up on the branch. The giant heart, and when the giant saw that scene, his heart was melted. How selfish! And he thought in himself that he was a very selfish man. Now I know. And now he understood why the spring was not coming in his garden. And what he did, he realized his mistake, that due to his mistake spring was not coming in his garden. I will put that poor little boy on and he decided to put that little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down. And he decided to knock down the wall and my garden. And he decided that from now the garden will be for the children's garden, for playing forever. He was really very sorry for, and whatever he did, he was very sorry for that things. So he came down, and he opened the front door quite softly, but came into the garden. But when the children saw him, as soon as the children saw the giant, they 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 were so afraid, they were so frightened, that they all ran away from there. And again the garden became there was again winter in the garden. And only the little boy did but the only the little boy did not run from there, as his eyes were full of tears, and he didn't see the giant was coming. And the giant stole up behind him and took him gently, and giant went near the child and took the child gently in his arms, and he put the child into the tree. And as soon as the giant put that little child into the tree broke at once into blossom. The tree blossomed, and the bird started singing, and the little boy stretched out his own arms and flung them round the giant. And the little child flung his arms around the giant's neck, and he also kissed the giant. And when other children saw, they thought, sorry when that the giant and when the children saw the scene, that the little child kissed the garden, and he didn't say anything, the children, when they saw the giant was weak, so they thought, now the giant was not weak, he is not cruel. The children thought that now the giant is not wicked, is not cruel. And all the children coming back, and with them came the and all the children came back in the garden, and with them the spring also came back. It is your garden now, little children. And the and the giant said, now it is their garden. And said the giant, and he took a great axe, and he knocked down the wall. And when the people were going to market at 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. And when and all the people who were going to market at 12 o'clock, they found that giant was also playing with the children in most of the, and it was the most beautiful garden that they had ever seen. It was looking very beautiful. So remaining story I'll teach you tomorrow class. Okay, so I hope you have understood the story. What do you think? What would be happen in the story? Who is the little child? Okay, so tomorrow I'll send you the rest of the story. Thank you.